We are learning to solve addition problems by counting on in my head. Today's question: there are 24 cats and 10 dogs. How many animals are there altogether? Now, as a good mathematician, I know that I'm always going to be starting with the biggest number, and today's biggest number is 24. This word problem is asking me to add 24 plus 10. Now, I know that in my head, there's a simple way to add this on. If I'm imaging in my head, I'm picturing the hundreds board, and I know that if I start at number 24 and count on in ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that I end up directly below where I am on the hundreds board if I'm adding 10. So, to shortcut that, I'm going to picture this in my brain and I'm going to go 24 plus 10. I know that I can just add a 1 to this column and I get to 34 directly underneath where I am when I picture the hundreds board. Okay, next question. There are 46 tennis balls and 20 rugby balls. How many balls are there altogether? This question is asking me 46 plus 20. I always start from the largest number, 46. I'm going to skip a group of 10 and a group of 20 in my head. Starting at 46, I know that I can jump a whole group of 10 to 56. And I know that I can skip another group of 10 to 66. So 46 plus 20 is 66. That means there are 66 balls altogether.